In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Constant Contact for email marketing. Once you are logged into your Constant Contact account, start by going to the left navigation menu. Look for Channels, then select Emails. This area is where you will create, manage, and send your email campaigns, so it is the main workspace for email marketing in Constant Contact. Next, begin a new campaign by clicking the plus create option, or the button that says plus create an email. This will take you into the email creation flow, where you choose a design and build your message. Now you will see the template library. Take a moment to choose a template that fits the type of email you are sending, such as a newsletter, announcement, or promotion. Templates give you a clean starting point and help keep your layout organized. When you find one you like, hover your mouse over that template and click Select. After you select a template, you will enter the email editor. Constant Contact uses a drag-and-drop interface, which means you build the email by placing content blocks directly into the layout. On the left-hand toolbar, you will see elements you can add, like images, text, buttons, or videos. Drag the block you want into the area of your email where it should appear, then click into it to edit the content. Keep your text clear and easy to scan, and make sure your buttons use action-focused wording so readers know what to do next. To make the email match your brand, open the Design tab. This is where you can adjust global styles like colors, fonts, and background graphics. Changing these settings here helps keep the entire email consistent, instead of editing each section one by one. When you are happy with the layout and design, click Continue. After you click it, wait a few seconds for Constant Contact to process and load the next screen. This can take a little time, so be patient and let it finish. Next, configure your sending details. Choose the list or segment you want to send the email to, so the right subscribers receive it. Then add your subject line. A good subject line is specific and relevant to the message inside, so people know what they are opening. Finally, when everything looks correct, click Send. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.